Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about last Docker storage option known as tmpfs, or we call it temporary file system. Let's understand how this tmpfs is actually working. As always, we are going to start with the introduction. Docker temporary file system provides a way for containers to store the data in the host RAM instead of physical disk. I already explained you about Docker volume and Docker bind mounts. In both cases, we are actually storing data inside the storage of our Docker host. It can be HDD or SDD, but we are always storing this data into the persistent storage. Here we have different story. When we are using temporary file system, we are actually storing data inside RAM of our Docker host. The data is stored in the host memory and it is deleted when the containers stop. So again, the name suggests itself, it is temporary, for a temporary storage. By default, tmpfs mounts are not shared across the container. Each container has its own isolated tmpfs storage in the memory. Now you may have this question that why we need to store data in the host memory. We are not getting sharing capabilities here as well, so why we are going to use this? Definitely, I will explain you the use case, but one thing that I want to tell you that RAM is so faster than the hard drive or SSD. If you are storing data inside your RAM or a memory, you will get almost nx speed than the hard disk or SSD. So, if you want low latency, high speed access of data, then it is always good idea to store this inside the memory or a RAM. So, speed is the most important part over here. Here we have this command. To run this command, we have docker run it. Then the name of the container, mount type. Here we have tmpfs. Then the destination from how you are going to get this access. And then we are using Ubuntu. So it is just a simple command we have. Let's clear the screen. And here I am already logged in as a root. So I am going to use this. Just created the container. Now, if I am going to the cd/app, and if I am going to store data here, I am storing my data inside the host memory, my Docker host memory. And this will provide me best high-speed access. Now here,
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.